Welcome. In this tutorial, we will guide you through how to handle the Pokemon Go is down for maintenance issue and what you can do while waiting. Let's get started. First, confirm if the maintenance notice is legitimate. Visit the Niantic support Twitter page or the official Pokemon Go website for updates. Niantic often announces scheduled maintenance in advance, including the expected downtime. If the maintenance is confirmed, there is no way to access the game until it's complete. But here's what you can do to prepare. Clear your app's cache and data. This ensures a fresh start when maintenance is over. On Android, go to Settings, tap Apps, tap on App Management and find Pokemon Go app. Then tap on Storage and choose Clear Cache. For iOS, you may need to reinstall the app to refresh its data. Use this time to check for Pokemon Go inventory. Open the app and sort through your Pokemon items and Pokédex to strategize your gameplay once the game is back online. If you suspect this is not scheduled maintenance, try basic troubleshooting. Restart the app, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or restart your device. Sometimes server issues can mimic a maintenance message. Check online forums or gaming communities to see if others are experiencing the same issue. This helps confirm whether it's a server-wide problem or specific to your account or region. Once maintenance is complete, the game will function normally. You can now log in and resume your adventures. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick guides and tips.